I'm so done. My life is just a never-ending, tilted mess. Buddy, you look scorched. You've been tilted with the sun facing your pole for months. You should have rotated into autumn by now.
Oh no, Neptune. My seasons last for 21 Earth years. I forgot how long my summer is.
Your extreme axial tilt, dear. That means your North Pole gets 21 straight years of direct sun.
Stop staring. It's not my fault. I didn't ask to spin like this.
It wasn't your fault. Billions of years ago, something huge smashed right into you, knocking you onto your side. That impact is why you're a rolling mess.
Wow. So I'm not clumsy, I'm just incredibly resilient.
Yeah, you're not clumsy. You're just doing the cosmic equivalent of a permanent cartwheel. Think you can jump high, Earth? Try the gravity jump challenge. Please, I'm strong. I accept your little challenge, Mars. Rule 1. My planet's gravity is only 38% of yours. You'll weigh less, but I have a massive advantage. Ugh. Must jump higher. Why is this so hard? That's how it's done. Your weight is lighter here, so you can jump 3 times higher.
The drama. When your surface is only 1/3 as heavy as Earth's, darling, everyone looks like a champion. It's simply physics, not talent.
Okay, fine, but try doing any actual work. I can't even push this cart without my tires spinning out. So high jumps are easy, but heavy lifting is impossible. You need my stronger gravity to get grip and do any real work.
Mars wins the high jump competition, but Earth wins the ability to move things contest. Gravity isn't just a force to hold you down, it's what gives you grip.
Final answer is, you can jump super high on Mars because of the low gravity, but you need more weight to actually push things. Fun science. Ugh, I only have one Bori moon. What if I had, like, 79 moons? Prize, you look jealous, so I sent you a box of my extras. Enjoy! Oh, this is gonna end well. Good luck tracking all those orbits, Earth. Tides! My tides are going crazy! It's like having 79 tiny hands pulling my water in every direction. When you have too many bodies, their combined gravity makes their orbits unstable. This is called orbital chaos.
Jupiter, take your moons back. I can't handle the gravity. I miss my calm, predictable tides. You learned a lesson, little one. It's not just the number of moons. It's the mass and stable orbit.
One dependable friend is definitely better than 78 chaotic strangers.
Go on, little moons. Go find your own big planet to orbit. I'm good with my original steady, buddy.
You can blast me, son? My magnetic shield is unbreakable. Ugh, I feel so weak and dizzy. I think my core is taking a nap. Ugh, what's going on? That dizziness means your liquid iron core is slowing down. Your magnetosphere is flickering. Time for a morning wake-up call. Take that, magnetic shield. Ouch! That went right through. My shield is gone. Welcome to my world. That's the solar wind. It's always blowing. Without your magnetic shield, you're getting hit just like me.
Atmosphere. It's blowing away. I can't breathe, and my air is getting completely messed up.
Your magnetic field is made by the incredible power of your spinning liquid iron core. It acts like a giant electric generator. So if that core stops spinning, the magnetic shield disappears.
The shield is gone. The solar wind will keep blowing until it strips away all my air. I'll end up dry and dead like Mars. I'm being scorched. I'm being scorched, and all my water is boiling away.
That's what happens when you don't keep your core cool, Earth. You're gonna end up dry and rusty like me.
Relax. It takes billions of years for a core to cool. Yes, the final answer is If your core cooled, you'd lose your shield, and the solar wind would slowly strip away your atmosphere. You worry about your future? You should worry about mine. Let's talk about the life cycle of a star.
Jupiter? Is the sun supposed to be pulsing like that? I think he's running on fumes.
That's the sound of a midlife crisis, Earth. He's running out of hydrogen fuel in his core.
I am not running out of fuel. I'm fusing hydrogen into helium. I am a yellow dwarf star, and I'm fine.
Problem is, when he uses up the hydrogen in his core, the helium starts to pile up like ash. The core shrinks, but the outside of the sun gets super hot.
And when that happens, I don't shrink. I expand. I will become a red giant.
It's happening! We're being swallowed! Help!
Ah!
I'm melting! I'm melting!
Won't reach Earth's orbit, but the heat will be intense. You'll be scorched, Earth. I'm being scorched! I'm being scorched! And all my beautiful water is boiling away!
After the red giant phase, the sun will shed its outer layers and collapse into a tiny, cool, white dwarf.
It will be about the size of Earth.
Wow. So, we'll survive the heat, but the light will fade. That's the end of the show for our star.
I'm still good for another 5 billion years, guys. Now let's enjoy the show.
Mars, I need to tell you something. 4.5 billion years ago, I accidentally stole everything you needed to become a real planet. You what? What do you mean you stole everything? Is that why I'm so small? How do you steal from someone who doesn't exist yet? That's not even scientifically possible.
Actually, I really want to hear this story. Jupiter, explain yourself. Perhaps Jupiter should explain what scientists call the grand tack model. It's quite dramatic, actually. Ooh, dramatic! I am so ready for this. Nothing like a good planetary crisis and some popcorn.
4.5 billion years ago, baby me just formed at 3.5 astronomical units from the sun. At that time, I was massive, adorable, and completely clueless about what I was about to do.
Oh, this is gonna be good. Please, tell me more about how adorable you were while ruining my life. But then I got caught in the protoplanetary gas disk. Picture a cosmic water slide you can't get off. I was sliding straight toward the sun, and I was gonna become a hot Jupiter!
That's rough, buddy. I know what it's like when the universe has other plans for you.
And then I reached 1.5 astronomical units. Right where you are now. There was so much planet-building material there. And my gravity just went whoosh and scattered everything. That was my whoosh. That was my material. Those were my building blocks.
Scattered almost everything. I was like a cosmic lawnmower going through your building materials. I tossed away the rocks that were supposed to build you.
Audacity! The sheer cosmic audacity! This is better than any drama I've ever witnessed!
But then I formed, and the gas pushed me even faster. I chased you down in the galaxy's most important race. The fate of the inner solar system depended on my speed.
This is where it gets good! Saturn to the rescue!
Then Saturn caught me in an orbital resonance. Our orbits locked together. I could feel it immediately, like we were suddenly connected by invisible chains.
Some models say it was a 3-to-2 resonance, others say 2-to-1. Either way, we became cosmically synchronized. 2 planets, 1 destiny.
That's actually pretty cool. The universe just said, you two belong together now. Like cosmic soulmates, but for physics.
Together we cleared all the gas between us, created a massive gap in the disk. It was like cosmic construction on the grandest scale.
Changed the gravitational balance completely. Suddenly we U-turned and started migrating outward. It's like the universe hit the undo button on Jupiter's death sentence.
Oh, so you fixed it? You put everything back? All my material came back to where it was supposed to be?
Not exactly.
By the time you started forming Mars, there was almost nothing left.
You were like showing up to the buffet after everyone else already ate. You only got about 10% of what Earth got.
So I'm small because you ate my dinner? My entire planetary future was gone before I even had a chance to exist? So I'm not small because something's wrong with me. I'm small because you accidentally destroyed my future before I even existed.
All that material that should have made me bigger is just gone. Scattered across space. Wasted. And I'm what's left. I'm like the clearance bin version of a terrestrial planet.
Whereas what Jupiter did is what scientists call the grand tack model. It's our best explanation for why our solar system looks this way. Jupiter's migration probably truncated the planetary disk at 1 AU. That's science speak for he accidentally ate your building blocks. But here's the thing. You formed incredibly fast, just 2 to 4 million years. I took 50 to 100 million years. You're like the fast food of planet formation. Except, you're actually healthy and cool.
I mean, that is pretty fast.
Mars, I am so sorry. I was just a baby gas giant caught in forces completely beyond my control. The universe pushed me around, and I accidentally bulldozed your future. If physics would let me give you some of my mass, I would. I really would.
Computer simulations suggest this happened during the first 5 million years of our solar system. The whole migration took roughly 600,000 years. It would explain why Earth and Venus grew so large while Mars stayed small. It would also explain why our asteroid belt has both rocky and icy objects mixed together.
Hey Mars, at least you have an atmosphere and water ice. I got blasted by solar wind for billions of years and I'm basically a hot metal ball with craters.
If we're forming a support group for undersized planets,
We should get t-shirts.
Without Jupiter's grand tack, none of us would be here the way we are. You're not defective, Mars. Proof that our solar system had the most dramatic, chaotic, spectacular origin story ever told.
Rantak explains it all. I scattered them wide on my way in, then nudged them back together on my way out, forming this magnificent belt. It's likely why it has both rocky S-types from the inner system and icy C-types from way out there. I basically reshuffled the cosmic deck.
Isotope studies of Martian meteorites show your composition is very different from Earth and Venus. This suggests you formed from whatever material was left after Jupiter's rampage. You're scientifically unique.
Wait. I formed when there was almost nothing to work with. I grew from scraps. I became a planet when I had every cosmic reason to fail. That's not embarrassing. That's incredible. I'm done feeling guilty about surviving. Jupiter tried to erase me before I even existed, and here I am, with 2 moons, polar ice caps, the coolest rust-red color scheme in the solar system, and my very own rovers. I'm Mars, and I'm exactly the size the universe needed me to be. That's the spirit. You're not small because you're weak. You're small because you're the toughest planet in the solar system. You're the Rocky Balboa of planets. Get it? Rocky? Because you're literally made of rocks. Plus you're red, like boxing gloves.
Hooray for Mars!
Woohoo! Way to go! That's my little warrior planet. The survivor who refused to quit.
The Grand Tack model explains it. Jupiter scattered Mars's early building material across the solar system. But that doesn't matter. That survivor is absolutely perfect as he is.
And you know what? My Earthlings are already sending robots to visit me. They're planning to come themselves someday. I might be small, but I've got a big future.
Just don't tell them about your practically non-existent magnetic field.
Hey, those are just a few little spots, okay?